In this video, I'm going to teach you how to embed moving image and audio in Miro. So in order to do that, first head over to Miro.com and from in there, input right here your work email in order to create an account. So for this case, just head over and proceed to sign up for free into this part. Now, if you already have an account, proceed to click on this login. Since I already have one, let me just use this. Now, here is my Miro dashboard wherein you can see my board. So for this case, you just need to use the embed feature by pasting the URL of an external video or audio. So for example, let's head over to our YouTube. So you can use other options right here wherein you actually can add them all together into this part. Let's head over to our YouTube and let's embed a video. So I have in here this video. Let's try to embed it. To do it, click onto the share icon and then this will open this. Choose right here this embed option and then this should be able to show you this. So let's proceed to click onto this copy right here and then let's head back right here into our Miro. So what we can do next is we just need to input right here an iframe code. So for this case, head over and click on this plus icon. You can click onto this and search in here for iframe. And here is our option. So we have this embed iframe code. Let's proceed to click on this, but do take note that this content is only available on the upgraded plan right there, so do take note of that as well. Once you have successfully upgraded, you can proceed to just paste the actual code that we have right here into our actual Miro, and that should be able to be added into your actual board that you wish to embed the moving image and audio. So it's also applicable on the image as an actual video or as a GIF. So that's also another option. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.